Again and again and again. Boy, it's your boy. You already know, you already heard. It's your boy Lil Mar, aka the one, back at it with another banger. You know what I'm saying? So we came out with another one. You know what I'm saying? You heard, you did. So we gonna get ahead into this monkey. You know what I'm saying? So today we just gonna have to, ask what's the worst thing that anybody's done ever. So we're gonna see how that goes, get everybody started into it and whatever and whatnot. So we're gonna get ahead, like and subscribe, leave them comments, you know what I'm saying? Hey, and turn on your notifications too. Why not, bro? Why not? So let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna come in strong with these videos. Y'all already know the saying. So let's go ahead and get into it and stop all this talking. Let's go. Bang! Back in it. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, you got at Tom. Why you got so much energy?
What?
I said, why you got so much energy?
That because I don't know.
You just that type of person that got that good energy all the time?
What?
You just that person that got that good energy all the time?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I got a question for you. What's the
You want you could do so you could
what's the weirdest, not even the weirdest, the craziest thing that you ever done? Like ever.
I don't want to answer that.
Why not? Hello? What's up, bro? What's up, man? At Tom G. What's the craziest thing that you ever done, though? Like the biggest thing that you ever done. Something that your parents don't even know.
They're all personal.
Oh, you don't want to say it?
Yeah. I guess the lowest one is sneak out. That's it.
That's it? Oh, you trying to head to a girl? You trying to head to a girl's house type?
No.
Oh, you just hanging out with your bros?
You can say that.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Wait. Hold on. Wait, I'm confused.
You can say that. Hanging out with bros.
I'm good.
No. Hello?
Yeah.
What's the craziest thing that you ever done? Like the craziest thing? Did you? I said,
Craziest thing I've ever done?
yeah.
Oh man, how crazy you want it to be?
Oh. Shoot, it can be any crazy. At home.
I snuck my ex in when my dad was right upstairs.
And then what'd y'all do?
I did the nasty.
can you make it bubble? Can you see that?
Y'all did the Woo! Y'all did the what?
Yeah.
For how long?
30 minutes or so.
30 minutes? Y'all there by you down there by yourself with him and he gave you 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Boy, look, man, I give you an hour. I give you all night. That's what I give you. Shoot, that's how it lasts over here. In 30 minutes, man, get on with that mess, boy. I'll tell you what.
Ooh, I like a man in champion.
Boy, if you don't get, I'm weak. I'm dead. At time. What's the craziest thing y'all ever done? Like the craziest thing?
I actually have probably had sex with my brother.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Period. That.
Period sex? What? How many times?
Yeah. Once.
You liked it?
I mean, there's blood everywhere.
I don't know. I know that, but I'm saying, did you like it?
I don't know. I'd rather not.
I'm never trying that in my life. Ever. One girl tried to make me do it, I said no. I said
Why?
no.
You just lay a towel down.
No. Don't ever. Ever. I wish I could answer that, but I can't right now. Bro, who next, bro? This stuff is funny. Hello? Hello? What's up with it?
You know what my friend said?
What?
What's up, though?
Hey, what's the craziest thing you ever done?
Shit, I don't know.
I think you got my phone. That's the craziest thing I know. Hello?
What's up? I have a question.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, what's up?
So, are you gang affiliation? Are you like any gang affiliated? Whatever, bitch. Say
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No.
no. So you don't know no gang signs?
No.
That's good.
I got a question for y'all, though. What's the craziest thing y'all ever done? Like the craziest thing y'all ever done?
Taking the pocket line.
That was real gay, my nigga. Cut that.
You said what?
I mean, I have sex in the mall. That's the only thing.
In the mall? Did you say in the mall?
Yeah, in the mall.
No. Boy, that's a dude. That was a dude. What's the craziest thing that you ever done? Like the wildest thing, like something that can make me think like, what? You did what?
Did it in the park?
You in the park?
Had sex in the park.
What? Like on a swing type? Like or on a slide?
Joking. You said it was the first thing in my head.
Oh nah, what in the world?
Sexy.
Huh? You said what?
Yo, sexy.
Oh, what's up with it? Alright. I got you a question. The craziest thing that you ever done, like the wildest thing. Something that makes me like, what? Like think twice. Something maybe you haven't told your parents.
Damn.
She said
Got trained.
what?
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that? Ah! What the fuck?
By a crew?
Nah, by like 3 people.
What? They was all bros?
In an alley. That's not my time.
You said a what?
I had a threesome in an alley.
You had in the alley?
Yeah. We sisters. Yeah, we sisters.
How old are y'all? Well, I know you, but her.
Yeah. She's 15.
She 15?
Yeah.
Wait, so y'all done it together before?
Hell no.
Boy, I'm about to say, dang, y'all wild. Y'all for real wild.
What happened?
Wait a minute. Why you say that?
Cause I'm 18 too, and like all these little kids keep on be like, how old are you? I'm like, I'm 18. They're like, when like rate me like 1 to 10. I'm like, bitch, no.
Hold on. First of all, look, me, if I come on here and ask some questions, it's gonna be some viable questions. You understand? Like, that's just how it is. That's just how it is. Like, I just got one question though. Like, I'm a cool dude, so you ain't got no trip on me.
I mean, if you got a question, you can ask. I'm just here to make friends, you know.
You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm trying to do. But nobody couldn't it. So
Can we be friends? Like, hey.
look, bro, like, I got you.
Bet. All right, no, do it right now. Bet.
All right, I got you. Look, there we go. All right, so the question is, what's the wildest thing y'all ever done? Like, crazy stuff though.
The wildest thing?
Wildest. Like, crazy. Some that make me be like, whoa, hold on, what? Or give me a story type.
What's the wildest thing you ever done?
See, I asked y'all first. Y'all haven't even gave me an answer, man. Y'all haven't even gave me an answer.
I'm really trying to think, because, like, I really don't do anything that's bad.
Right.
Like, dead ass. Like, the only thing I've done bad was I called my dad a bitch.
Boy, if I do that, I wouldn't be here tomorrow. I'll tell you that for real. Shoot, cause
He made me mad, but nah.
you said it broadly though. Did you say like you a bitch? Nah, you didn't.
No, I said, because he kept calling me dumb. But he's like one of those dads that, like, thinks that giving you money is like being a father. He wasn't in my life. Like,
Right, yeah.
he was like, he kept calling me dumb. I was like, stop calling me dumb. I was like, stop calling me dumb. He was like, dummy. I said, bitch. He sent me all the way to my grandma's house. I said, oh, wow.
He didn't do nothing about it?
Nah.
He didn't?
No, he
What?
said, you got it inside you.
Alright.
I wish you would.
Question mark?
I'm really trying to think. What's the worst thing I've done? Wildest thing. I've done it in the car.
You what? What? For how long? How long?
Not even that long. Dang.
Well, look. That's all I can say. Hold on now. Hold on. Slow your roll. Got too much dip in your chip now. That's all I can say. Yo. It's your boy. You gotta know. Yes, you gotta know Lil Mar is coming with the funniest and the funniest and the funniest. But you know what I'm saying? Out here, we doing a lot, so we making it big. We trying to make it like a family. You understand? You gotta dig. All right, so like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do that. Leave comments for any other challenges y'all want me to do, man. I mean, I'll do it. I'll do it. Honestly, I'll do it though. And just leave your notifications on. We gonna get more out there, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get everybody to look and listen, you know. Go ahead, share and everything else. But, you know, we're gonna keep on digging at these videos. All right, at it.